same year. So there is a fluctuation in population. So is it regarding evolution or reproduction? What do you mean by producing young one? Is it an evolution process or a reproduction process?
Reproduction.
Yes. And what is the meaning of haphazard? Haphazard means something that is non-uniform. So if we read further over here, this is fluctuating enormously because of the random nature. Random is haphazard, nature of birth and death. So the correct answer for para A will be sixth one, right? Now read the para B and decide. So sixth is done. So we can strike off the sixth answer. And now we will go on to para B, and now we are left with 5 options. So as you move closer to para D, you will be left with only 3 options, right? So please read para B and find out the correct one.
I think it is a third one.
And it does say, absolutely right you are. So this is particularly true if there is a very small number of one sex. So when there is small number of one sex, or there is an example given over here, there are 20 individuals of a species and only one is male. So there is clearly an imbalance of sexes, and you're absolutely right about it. So this is option B. We can strike that out as well. Now moving forward to para C, what do you think? Please read.
I think it is the first one.
First one. Please tell me the line that tells you that this is the first one.
A species lacks the capacity to evolve and can't adapt to changes in its.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. So when it is lacking the capacity to evolve and cannot adapt, so capacity is ability. So this is how it gets paraphrased: capacity to evolve and adapt, and loss of ability to adapt. So you're absolutely right that this will match with C. Now how you will answer is, for fifth it is going to be not, this is not how it is to be marked. For fifth it is going to be sixth. That's how you choose the correct answer. For sixth it is going to be third. And for seventh it will be the first one. Please read the last one and tell me the answer for the eighth one too.
It will be human disasters.
Human disaster. Okay.
Or natural disasters. I'm confused.
Okay. What is the difference between human and natural disaster?
I don't know how to explain it.
Okay. So human disasters are the disasters that are caused by humans, and natural disasters are caused by nature, right? So when we talk about catastrophes like fire, flood, drought, epidemic, they are not really human made disasters. Maybe indirectly humans may be responsible for it, but these are natural disasters only. So the correct answer for 8 is going to be the second one. It will be natural disaster, right? Because it is a catastrophe, right? So something that happens on its own: fire, flood, drought, for which humans don't have the answer, right? Of course, they may be indirectly responsible for causing such things, as is what is happening these days, but they will be termed as natural disasters. Now you see that when you are doing the matching heading questions, more often than not, you will find your answer either in the first or the second line mostly, right? So if when you're reading the big passages in your IELTS exam, you might not have to read the entire passage. Sometimes, in fact, most of the times, you will find the answers in the first sentence or the second sentence, but in 10% of the cases, you may have to read the whole para as well, right? So this is how we